So today I have a Love Me hair unboxing. So I have two wigs here from Love Me Hair. I'm going to show you how um, it looks. So it comes in this cute purple package, and this is a bob wig. So in the package it comes with this little satchel. Um, It comes with a wig cap. It also came with a little pouch. In this pouch, you have this thing to hold your edges down, an edge brush. Also, we have it comes with an elastic band. Comes with tweezers, a clip that says "Love Me." You put it somewhere like this, and bobby pins. All that came in the package, which is really dope because I feel like you're gonna use all of this stuff. Um, and so that came in the box. I want to show you the hair though. The hair is a Kim K inspired bob. So the bob came like this. It's a 2x6 closure. So it's a very small closure. This is what it has, an elastic band inside. Has three. So yeah, like I was saying, it has a 2x6, so it's 6 inches of parting, 2 inches of lace. So inside of it is the elastic band, like I said before, three clips, and as you can see, it's like a standard wig, but it's huge. So I'm definitely gonna use it. It also has these things to like make the wig smaller. So I'm gonna need all of that because the wig is huge. I don't think my head is this big, and I don't remember them having any sizing. But it's super cute. And what I was thinking about doing with it, because I don't really do well with straight hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on. I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm gonna come back and I'm going to show you how I style it. So I'm either gonna curl it with a curling iron and give it like a wispy look, or crimp it. But either way I want. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna either crimp it or curl it, but I want like a wavy bob look. That's the look I want with this one. And so stay tuned because I'm gonna come back, cut the lace, style it, and come back with it. Um, I may take me to customizing it just in case anybody wants to see how I do it and how I'm gonna do this one because, like I said, it's a 2x6, and the lace is usually I do 4x4 or 5x5. So I can't wait to see how it comes out. This is like experimental for me, so I don't even know, but I will definitely keep you guys posted on what I actually do because I'm actually excited to see how it's gonna come out. I don't know. So yeah, stay tuned. Now, you guys should definitely check out Love Me Hair because when I tell you their hair is official, like even though I had to do more work to this wig, it wasn't ready to wear. Just because I wanted it to be shorter, I will definitely insert a clip of how long it was when I crimped it. And I love this look. This look is totally cute. And it just gives me the look that I was going for. And I really just really love this company just because the hair is good. And here's another thing. I crimped it at the highest temperature just to see if it would smell like it was burning, and it did not. So that tells you there's really no synthetic fibers in here because I know a lot of virgin hair companies put those synthetic fibers in there. And so overall, I love the look. It came out really cute, and this is definitely going to be another summer banger for me because I love a good short style just because I don't have to deal with hair on my neck and my back. It just feels really weird when it's really hot and you have like all that hair on your neck. But I definitely love this. I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't